Hey guys, in this video and session, we're going to talk about the time that it takes the government to process your work permit applications, your EAD applications. It's been a while since we've talked about case processing issues. And so in this one, I'm going to cover the latest with work permits. What is going on? How long is it taking these days to be approved for the work permit or the EAD or employment authorization document? As you're coming on board, say hello. Tell me where you're watching me from. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients all over the world on complex immigration matters. Contact us at McBean Law, guys. If you have an immigration matter that you'd like to discuss with an attorney, and we work on very complex marriage cases, humanitarian cases like the U visa crime, which is the crime victims visa, T visa, asylum, VAWA, victims, folks who have been a victim. Here in the United States, we work on all of those types of cases, in addition to employment-based cases. So reach out to us to see how we might be able to assist you. You can also call our office at 516-866 3900 to request an appointment with an attorney. Friends, I want to encourage you also to follow me on social media, on Facebook, where I do live sessions. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok, and as you guys may know, I do a lot of short form content on those forums. So follow me on social media. For those of you who have not yet subscribed to our channel, my channel, subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and also subscribe to our firm's free newsletter. Each week we send out Q&As, we send out immigration news and some other good news. Join that subscriber list and don't miss out on any of the free stuff that we have available for you. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to talk about the work permit. Okay, how long is it taking the government these days to approve your application? For some of you, you're very frustrated because you've filed quite a long time ago, yet you hear people like me share testimonials about our clients getting approved in 2 months, 3 months, a month. And then for you may have friends or family or other folks you see on the internet in chat in the comments section saying that they've been approved very quickly, yet you're still waiting and you're wondering what in the world is going on. So let's talk. Let me share my screen with you and take you into what the government is saying nowadays about how long it's taken them to process your application. Now, the USCIS has on its website a really cool tool, if you were not aware of it, a tool that allows you to check case processing times for each petition and application. And it's on USCIS.gov's website, and it'll take you right to this page that I'm on right now. Check case processing times. And I have already typed in the I-765 application for employment authorization. And I'm also going to select the category pending I-485 adjustment of status application. That's the C9 category. So this is those of you who have applied for adjustment of status and you're waiting. Okay, so let's take a look at that category first of all. And friends, it depends on where your case is pending, which service center is processing your EAD. It's going to make a big difference, and let's see what the difference is. If your EAD is currently pending in the California Service Center, the government is saying publicly that it takes them about 16.5 months to complete about 80% of their cases. 80% of the cases are completed within 16.5 months. Now, obviously, there are cases that are approved much faster than this, but they're saying that, and then there are other cases that take actually pens much longer than this, right? So this is 80% of the cases are completed within that time frame. Now let's jump over to the National Benefit Center to see what the processing time is like there. And guys, you see it's only 8.5 months, okay? 8.5 months. And I will tell you that a lot of the cases that we've been filing these days that are going to the National Benefit Center, the EAD approval timeline is actually very short, okay? Very short. Shorter than 8.5 months. So don't be discouraged by this timeline here, but you've got to make sure that you've submitted a correct application. If you have made errors on your EAD application, certainly that will slow down the case. But the National Benefits Center has a very short processing timeline. Then Nebraska, under Nebraska's timeline, it's 17 months on average. Then we have Texas. Texas says 15.5 months. Vermont says 10 months. Okay. But these are again, 80% of the cases are completed within this time frame. So it could be much shorter, or it could be a little bit longer than what they've posted here. So now let's take a look at another category that is a very popular one, and that's asylum. Okay, based on pending asylum application, and that's the C8 category. Now, if your asylum EAD application is pending in Nebraska, the government says it's 11.5 months that it usually takes them to complete the EAD. Potomac, Virginia, 13 months. And then the last service center is Texas, and Texas says 13 months as well. Okay, but again, guys, based on my experience, I could only speak for the work that I see here at McBean Law, our virtual immigration firm, where we're working on cases for clients in all over all 50 states and many different countries. I could tell you that the timetable for EADs, based on what we're seeing, it's shorter than what the government has posted here on its website. They have really done a good job recently, only recently, in speeding some of this up. And you may have seen some TikTok videos by other lawyers saying that the timeline is shorter. It is true. It is much shorter now based on our experience. I hope you're seeing the same thing as well. If you are seeing the same thing from where you sit, comment below, encourage other people, let them know what your experience has been waiting for your work permit application to be approved. Let folks know how long it's taken for it to happen. Okay, so those are the two really big categories: the adjustment of status cases as well as the asylum cases that I wanted to take you into in this short video. Guys, it was nice being with you in this one. Don't want to make it too long. I'm going to cover other case processing topics as well over the next several days or so. So be on the lookout for those videos, because I want to share with you where other applications and petitions are as well. So again, comment below, share your experiences, subscribe to our newsletter, subscribe to this channel, stay plugged in, follow me on social media so that you could get all of the free resources that I'm making available for you. Thanks so much for being with me in this one, and I will see you in the next one.